Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the Chroma Key or how to apply the Chroma Key in the CapCut application in your mobile system. Come to the mobile and open your mobile and then open the CapCut application. Click on it. This is the main page, and then click on the create button. Click on it. And I want to apply Chroma Key on this video. Select this one video and then click on the add button. Click on it. You can see here the below are all option available here. This is the Chroma Key. Click on it and then drag your chroma ring on the mobile screen, and you can change the clean up edge. Also, these four feature are available in the Chroma Key. You can change the feather edge. The picture will clean more and more, and you can increase and decrease the intensity. Then click on the take button, and then I want to export. Click on export button. The exportation will start here, and you can easily send this video on YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to use the Chroma Key in the CapCut application. This is the very important video. Watch this video up to end. If you have any question about the Chroma Key, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.